Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block fake orders on Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, head over to the Shopify website and log into your account. Once you're logged into your admin dashboard, the next step is to find or install the Fraud Filter app. On the left sidebar of your Shopify dashboard, you'll see an Apps section. Click on it and type Fraud Filter in the search bar. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and install it from the Shopify App Store. This app is a powerful free tool by Shopify that helps you identify, block, and manage fraudulent orders automatically. After the app is installed, it's time to set it up. Click Add New Filter to create a custom rule that detects and stops fake orders before they're processed. You'll now need to define what kind of orders you want to block. Start with simple but effective filters, such as blocking orders from a specific email address or domain known for suspicious activity. You can also set filters based on criteria like IP address, billing address, or country. Next, give your new filter a name, something easy to recognize like fake order blocker or fraud prevention rule. Once you've set your conditions and named your filter, click Save. That's it. Your new fraud filter is now active and protecting your store in real time. Keep in mind that you can create multiple filters depending on your needs. By following these steps, you'll give your Shopify store an extra layer of protection against fraudulent activities, helping you maintain accurate sales data, save time, and avoid unnecessary stress. And that's it. So that is how you can block fake orders on Shopify. So that's all for this video. Thanks.